Hello there. So today we're in Brund in Copenhagen, coming to see Thomas, who's here in front of us, about Weirloom's now new launch of t-shirt and their second edition jeans. Thomas, do you want to show us around?
Sure. So thank you for stopping by, and like you said, Matteo, I have the second edition jeans here. This is I think one of the smallest size left. So we have the jeans, we have the new t-shirt, which I'm also wearing. And yeah, it's available this weekend here in Brund in Copenhagen. So stop by if you want to try them on.
Yeah, Brund's a great store. It's lots of really high quality denim, great heritage clothing, and very high quality stuff. So I'll give you a quick walk around. Some great looking bags as well. You really should do more bag reviews on Tech Travel Geeks.
And Matteo, if you're curious, I mean, so the store is obviously all about jeans and boots, especially raw denim and, you know, the heavier kind of stuff. And what we have over here is, if you're curious, is actually some of the jeans I've worn myself over the years that kind of led me to start my brand. So we have quite a few Iron Hearts, like this 25 ounce that I've worn for a couple years, 21 ounce, it's almost washed out. The Sloppy here. We have some really nice Indigo Ferrous. This is probably my favorite denim of all time. 16 ounce shrink to fit. It's so beautiful. Made from by Nian Mempo in Japan. A few of those, a few Levi's vintage clothing, and a few of the other brands I've worn.
Excellent, and that's ultimately what inspired you to come up with Weirloom.
Exactly. And some of these brands we still have. Ironheart we still stock in the shop, but most of them, Indigo Ferrous, we also did stock at one point. So a lot of them I've gotten through the shop, one way or the other.
Good. So check out Brund if you're in Copenhagen, and Weirloom.com here on the internet. And there is an extra section here: shorts, t-shirts, and more great stuff. I particularly like the Brund hats, but don't need any more hats at the moment, so there you go. So this was just a quick walk around of the Brund store in Copenhagen. As usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And for this 360 video, thanks for watching. Bye from me.